Let's take a look at this example. This problem can look kind of confusing. You're supposed to just realize that we're supposed to solve this equation for x. X is my unknown. T represents any real number greater than 0. T is greater than 0. So, my A is positive 1 because I do not see any digit over here, so there is always invisible positive 1. So this is my A. My B is 6t, this is my B. And my C is 9t squared. Next, I'm supposed to write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is equal negative, I'm supposed to copy down this negative sign, b is equal 6t, b is 6t, plus minus square root, and I have b squared, so this is my 6t to the second power, minus 4 times a times c. A is equal 1 and c is equal 9t squared over 2 times a, so I have 2 times 1 equals, and I have x equals minus 6t plus minus square root, I have 36t squared, and I have negative times positive is negative, times positive is negative, that's why I'm going to have negative sign over here. 4 times 9 is equal 36, and I'm supposed to copy down t squared, so this is negative 36 t squared over 2. This is equal negative 6t plus minus 36t squared minus 36t squared is equal 0. Square root of 0 is 0 over 2. Because the value of the discriminant is equal 0, I'm going to have only one solution. That's why I'm going to have x equals negative 6t over 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal 3. That's why my solution is negative 3t. And this is the answer to my problem.